man. See John out there. John and I actually rode to work together this morning. So.
Yeah, well, you know, that's a common thing right
Teamwork
now.
makes the dream work.
That's right. You know, look at those piles of snow, though, in Du Quoin. You're going to see a lot more of those here as we go throughout the day today. A very light, fluffy snow. And guys, we're not done with the winter weather yet. Winter weather advisories have been posted this morning for southeast Missouri. Now, these are for tomorrow morning. Winter storm warnings have now been also issued for parts of the Missouri Boot Heel, and winter storm watch is in effect for parts of West Tennessee. We're likely going to see some of these advisories extend eastward. There's still some uncertainty, though, regarding just how much snow we're going to see over the next few days. Can you believe we're talking about the possibility of additional snow, though? Yeah. Checking in this morning, live view from Carbondale, looking back into the western sky, and we've got a few glimpses of sunlight out there. Notice the snow-covered roads, though. It's almost hard to pick them out in some areas, but a lot of those side streets, secondary roads that have not been plowed yet are very, very snow-covered and icy. So we're going to be dealing with some of these terrible road conditions likely throughout the day today, and in some places it's impassable right now without four-wheel drive. Dangerously cold temperatures, too. If you are heading out this morning, of course, make sure that you are taking care of your pets, checking on the elderly, and if it's you heading out, cover the exposed skin. We don't see cold like this for very long, and a chance for more winter weather. That threat tracker bar going much, much higher here on Wednesday and Thursday. There is some light at the end of the tunnel. It's likely going to hold off, though, until the weekend. Actual temperatures outside. Now, this is not wind chill right now. 1 degree in Mount Vernon, 1 in Carbondale, 2 in Harrisburg, 1 below in Paducah. Then you factor in the wind and wind chills. Right now, 10 below in Mount Vernon, 12 below in Carbondale, 13 below in both Harrisburg and Paducah. So again, this is a brutal stretch of some cold weather. We've been occasionally seeing some light snow flurries still coming down in parts of the region. So not expecting any additional accumulation today, but don't be surprised if we still got at least some blowing snow and maybe even a few snowflakes still flying out there. This afternoon, low to mid-teens into southern Illinois, a little bit warmer, maybe into the Missouri Boot Heel. Wind chills today in most areas, though, only into the single digits. Today will make the 10th consecutive day with temperatures below freezing. That's right, we haven't been back above freezing since February 6th, and we're likely going to continue the streak at least through the end of this week. Winter storm warnings now in effect for Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Dallas, Texas. Once again, that's our next storm system moving this way. Record cold temperatures across the middle of the country. Big dip here in the jet stream, arcing back up across the eastern U.S. That is, again, a storm track that potentially brings us more chances for a little winter weather by this time tomorrow morning. 4 a.m. was checking in some light snow likely flying across parts of southeast Missouri, maybe even into southwest Illinois and parts of western Kentucky. Will continue to shift to the east. Really most concerned with Wednesday evening. Some of the heaviest snow expected, especially into parts of the Missouri Boot Heel, western Kentucky, and parts of northwest Tennessee. Snow amounts will get lower and lower to the north. Still finding some dry air out across parts of southern Illinois and lingering even into Thursday morning. Still some snow showers a possibility. So as far as how much more we're expecting on top of what's already on the ground, another 1 to 2 inches of snow across parts of southern Illinois. Amounts get a little higher to the south. Carbondale, Marion, Harrisburg, possibly 2 to 4, mainly 2 to 3, but possibly up to about 4 in a few spots. And then south of that into western Kentucky, the Missouri Boot Heel, we could see an additional 4 to 5, possibly up to 6 inches of snow added on top of what's already fallen. And here you go, temperatures single digits for the next couple of mornings. We'll warm up Thursday to a morning temperature of 17 and then dip back into the single digits there on Friday morning. And of course, wind chills running well below zero here today and staying below zero even through the end of the week. But there's the light at the end of the tunnel. We may break the streak on Saturday. High temperature right now forecasted at 34. Chance for some rain showers make their way into the forecast on Sunday. And, oh man, that sounds nice. Doesn't it look at next week, middle of next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I've got temperatures in the mid-50s right now. Of course, you'll only find those extra 3 days right here on News 3. Now, guys, I want to show you this viewer photo.